Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the default option when replying to emails in Gmail, the reply all option, meaning that you don't have to select individual recipients of the email and you'd rather prefer to just send it to all recipients or original people that are included on the email chain. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon up in the top right corner of Gmail, and then select the See All Settings button. You want to scroll down. Underneath where it says Default Reply Behavior, you can either reply or reply all. I would select Reply All, and then scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then select Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.